Hello everyone, welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. I'm Tatum and this weekend we're going to be doing some fall activities. So it's Friday, I have work today, and then tonight we're going to see Dear Evan Hansen. We as in me, my mom and dad, and then tomorrow we're going apple picking and we're going to knit some chunky pumpkins and well, we have tickets to a concert. Unsure if we're going to the concert yet, just because a lot's been going on this week, so undecided, but we might go to the concert. If not, we'll watch the Penn State Indiana game, and then Sunday is Buffalo football. So, today I have a lot going on. I am working on this new project that I've been doing all week, and I made a lot of progress yesterday, which is amazing. So, as I was saying, today I have a panel for new hires, and yeah, that's about it. Also, I forgot to mention that I have a new camera. My boyfriend got me a camcorder for our anniversary, so this is the first time filming on it. I hope the quality is so much better than my iPhone, and it has a microphone and everything, so hoping everything looks and sounds a little clearer. And this is today's fit. So I have this absolutely lovely little, it's kind of legging material, but it's like a romper situation from Aerie. And then this kind of oversized black jacket is from Kittenish. It's this kind of knit, like quilted material. I am absolutely in love. Apparently it's kind of cold outside, so I might need to put like some jeans on over it or something, but this is the work fit for today. Sunday, October 3rd. I totally fell off vlogging yesterday. After we had lunch, my stomach was just like not feeling fabulous. So we just watched the Penn State game last night and nothing else fun. But this morning I'm going to make the pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix from Trader Joe's. I think we're going to do a little bit of crafting, maybe some fall movie watching, and the Bills play today, so that's always exciting in this house. And yeah, I think that's all that's going on. So I totally fell off recording today. Really just watched vlogs in my bed so you didn't miss much. Now I'm just gonna do my skincare routine and go to bed. Got a full week of work ahead, so just gonna get some rest. My skincare essentials recently, I have been absolutely loving this pumpkin overnight face mask from Trader Joe's and this Tony Moly pumpkin eye cream. Absolutely love that. And of course I always stan Laneige and The Ordinary.